right, we're out here this morning on a house that completed about a month ago, and part of our process when we're building these houses is that we bring in a trade partner, which is a third-party energy rater, in order to test our homes and make sure that we meet all of the energy compliance that OG&E requires. So we're out here on a completed house because we had a failure. So the failure was on the heat and air side, the ducting. We didn't pass regarding how well sealed it is. The solution is very simple, and we're going to show you that this morning on what it is that we're doing and talk about why it is that we do this. Okay, so now we're inside the house. And what we have here is some equipment. This is our blower door and duct blaster equipment. It's ours. It's our third-party raters, and they are going to use this in order to retest the house and make sure that everything passes. There's some more equipment over here on this side as well. And then I've got one more thing over here. We've got these go up over the top of these ducts. Sorry about the camera movement, but that'll go up on the ceiling, and that helps them to seal the boot itself and make sure there's no leakage when they put pressure in the HVAC system. That's how we know we don't leak, and that's how we know all of the energy used to create warm air in the wintertime and cool air in the summertime is being used wisely, and our utility bills are low for our homeowners. Go back in and clean out.
Hi, I'm Jonathan Scribner, and I'm with Clear Results Consulting. We do all the energy ratings and pressure testing for Two Structures homes, and I'm here to demonstrate what a blower door is. This little apparatus here, what we do is we take all the air from inside the house and we suck it and blow it out, and that tests for actual infiltration. And what the infiltration means is, as you get Oklahoma wind, as we all know it gets windy in Oklahoma, your wind blows across your house, all the infiltration leakage in your house will now move in and out as the wind blows across it. So the less infiltration, the better. And what the goal is set at is a 30% natural air exchange rate. Roughly a little less than 1 CFM per square foot. This top score is you see at the -50, and that's measured in pascals, and that's just basically pressure. And then the bottom number is your actual CFM flowing through the fan, and that's how it measures how much actual infiltration the house has coming in and out.
So it seems like a lot, Jonathan. What is the actual goal on this size home?
1,200.
About 1,200. So we're way under that number, about a little more than 300 feet.
You're closer to the 25% natural air exchange rate.
CFM, right? Cubic feet per minute.
Because
for most people, that 890 seems like a lot. You're telling me there's 890 cubic feet, but it's all under pressure, so you're forcing it. Yes. That doesn't happen with the fan off. It's not happening.
Correct.
Good.
So the lower the better.
The lower the better.
Okay, great.
Just like your HERS score, the lower the better.
Okay.
All right, second part is the duct blaster, and the goal we're trying to achieve is no more than 4% duct leakage, and the house being 1394, our goal is going to be 55 CFM, so that's all the air that the system is going to be allowed to leak. got a score of
Here's our recap. We just finished all the testing, passed the blower door test, passed the duct blaster test. We had some repairs to make on the ducting system, so on the HVAC side. These homes are all built by human hands. We do the best we can to control how things are built and built with quality. This is why we test, though. I mean, this is the whole point in it, is we are able to hold our subcontractors accountable to make sure that we're providing the home that is going to be the comfortable place, lower utility bills, and a quality home for long term, right? This is for the life of the home. Once you do this, you build all this into these houses. To fix it later is way more expensive than doing it up front. We at Two Structures Homes, we do it up front, and that way the homeowner gets quality home from the very beginning and they're comfortable in it.